Ever wondered how to navigate a leadership transition smoothly without causing disruption? Agile Change Management might be just what you need. By using the Scrum Agile Framework, you can handle leadership shifts with flexibility and adaptability, ensuring everything goes as planned. First, form a dedicated transition team. This cross-functional group will be the backbone of the transition, covering all the details. Next, define your transition backlog, a list of all the tasks and goals related to the shift. This keeps everyone organized and on track. Now, break down these tasks into short, manageable sprints. Sprint planning sets clear objectives and makes the workload more digestible. Then, hold daily stand-ups, quick meetings to discuss progress and tackle any challenges. These check-ins keep everyone aligned and aware of the issues that might arise. After each sprint, conduct a sprint review. This is your chance to evaluate outcomes, celebrate successes, and make necessary adjustments. Finally, retrospectives. Let the team reflect on the whole process, pinpointing areas for improvement and refining strategies for the future. For example, a software company successfully used Scrum principles to manage a leadership transition. They made quick adjustments, gathered feedback consistently, and the result was seamless changeover with minimal disruption. The team felt empowered and involved throughout the entire process. By adopting Agile Change Management, you can turn a potential challenging transition into a smooth and successful experience. It's all about being flexible, adaptable, and open to continuous improvement. Why not give it a try in your next leadership transition? It could be just what your team needs to thrive.